Hey, this is Jeff Blake, and welcome to Adobe Photoshop CS5 Pro User Skill Sets. I'm excited to be here, and I'm excited to show you lots of advanced techniques and pass along some more advanced skills inside our course here together. So I hope you're up for a whole lot of Photoshop CS5. Let's have a look at some of the topics that you and I will be taking a look at. We're going to start things off by getting our images, by getting our graphics organized and sorted, both in Mini Bridge and also in the full Adobe Bridge, and you'll see how that plays out. Mini Bridge is actually a smaller version of Bridge, which appears inside a panel inside Photoshop. I think you're really going to like that. And then once we get through that, we're going to take a look at customizing Photoshop's menus and keyboard shortcuts and a few other things. We will also talk about using Photoshop for both print and web-based layouts. So I think you'll like that. And then I want to get into working with Photoshop in terms of painting. We're going to paint a cartoon. You're going to see how to work with gradients and brushes and all kinds of fun stuff. And then probably one of the core aspects of this entire course is working with the pen tool. We're going to spend quite a bit of time working with the pen tool and really mastering the pen tool. And then once we get a really good feel for the pen tool, I'm going to show you how to put it to good use, how to create selections using the pen tool, and we'll even incorporate a little bit of InDesign. So you'll see how that plays out. From there, we'll get into some fun stuff. We're going to get into some special effects, things like creating black and white images and duotones, and I'll show you how to create some neat text effects and also some glow effects. And then I want to turn things back to sort of the idea of print and web, and we'll talk about using Photoshop in a print workflow along with InDesign. And then we'll also take a look at using Photoshop in a web capacity. We'll talk about graphic file formats and optimizing images and working with images along with Dreamweaver and also some Flash as well. So you'll see how that plays out. All right, sounds like a lot, doesn't it? It's going to be fun. I hope you're up for it. So let's get started.